First, you're going to come up with ideas for your characters and show what's going on around them. Now, you're going to add
Is there any
some
sort of
business.
conflict?
Is there something bad going on here and some people are getting worried? Now, you're going to want to introduce your conflict. Like, what really bad is going to go on? Like, something really bad is happening. Like, people are trying to stop it. For example, a giant spider trying to tear down an entire city while a superhero tries to destroy it. From now on, you're going to want to show the lowering conflict. Like, finally, the superhero is destroying the spider and the spider's weakening. But there's still a problem going on at the current moment. Now, show your resolution and show how the thing was defeated. Like, this hero defeated the spider once and for all.